if we get this right, it really is an unprecedented opportunity to channel nature finance into nature's recovery, but we're not over the line yet. It is going to take a continued and concerted effort, both locally and nationally, to get the governance right on this. But together, we can encourage high-integrity market approaches to flourish, and we can make sure that the people who are actually going to make 30 by 30 happen, the nature-friendly farmers, get the investment that they deserve. Thank you.